place. And I think we can go and at least grab a top 3. So, second button jump is allowed. We have no trainer, we have no F1 or forward keys to skip the levels, as you can see here. Again, Parasol does run. I'm using my Panthera PS4 stick. No settings that would be proficient or helpful in any way. No cheats, there's nothing like that. No auto fire. Ah, doodle bum bum. It's a VHD load version, so mind that sometimes getting into another level will look funky. Let's have us all the fruit. Ah, timeless classic. Let's turn the music a bit up, so people can hear the sound of the game quite well and see how far we can get. With a little side dish of radishes, we go towards next level. But 40k in 2 levels means we can approximately do like 150k for a level. But I think hitting the big combos is where you get the most points, right? At least that's what I think. Oh, fuck that one up. That's not that bad though. I know that there are scoring mechanics and I don't get them yet, but that's fine. Ah, okay. Should have went for the bananas. What people do for chocolate bars, huh? Gotta learn about the scoring mechanics for this run, for sure. That's what I learned now just by playing it. Ah, was one too less. One too few. There was the read. Oh, good. There we go. That was a big chunk of points. So 360k now. Nice. That was good. Ah, come on. There we go. 2 pieces of chocolate. Yeah. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? Also, it's funny when you pick up the speed, speed extra, that you get more fall speed. Okay, boss. Nambada, you can never go wrong with that. Okay, we're already at 716, so we're close to the 3rd place already. So first stage. So I think doing 1st place is gonna be easy. Doing 2nd place is gonna be easy for us today. 3rd place is a must for me. If we don't do 1st place today, I'm gonna be 2nd place today. I'm gonna be a bit sad, but no, it's to be expected, so that's fine. Oh, fuck. I didn't know that the Thunder is gonna... Yeah, mark my words. 2nd place, 1.16. 1,116,000. So we have reached a bit more than half of it already. But yeah, this level is still doable. It's gonna get very difficult when we hit the other levels. Let me tell you that. Oh, we got the big cake. Let's pick up the sorbets, because they give definitely more points than the 3 pieces of chalky ice. Nice. Oh, we're getting into it right now. I'm happy. Feeling it. Oh yeah, that's a hard one. But maybe I can time it right. Oh, almost. There we go. Nice. Oh, we're close to 2nd place already. 70k points more, and we got 2nd place. We're running this on a serious margin here. Come here, devil. Oh, that was close. We don't want to give away lives here. Not for free. Okay, there's no points on this line here. But there's points on this line here. When we take them. Nice, and we are very close to 1st place. But this boss is gonna cost us a lot of life, so nothing to be too much excited about yet. Oh, we got the time stop going. And that miracle. Oh, it's just an apple? Yeah, we don't gonna get the Ringo. Oh, it's all Coke, and Coke is worth 7k. And already, we got, I think after the boss, we got first place. There should be new scoring world record on Amiga's Parasol Stars. Yeah, and guys and girls, we got world record. So let's see how far we can take the run. It's not gonna be easy to follow that one up. Waterworld, right? Ah, this one is tough. Scoring-wise, this wasn't the best choice, but better safe than sorry, right? I was missing out on all the scoring you can do here in these lanes. Okay, this lane is done. Okay, nothing more to be gotten on this plane here. So, off to the next one. Okay, nothing to be... Oh, but we take the big line of Naruto. Japanese fish cake. Can never go wrong with it. Nice. I'm happy that this run is coming along so well, to be honest. As I was not expecting this for this particular game. Oh, the genie lamp? Yeah, we're gonna... Fuck! Ah, I was too greedy for the genie lamp, and that's what you get for that. What does the genie lamp do again, though? Something, I'm sure. Ooh, that was close. Okay. That's where it gets dicey. Oh, oh, oof, okay. Yeah, I had to kill myself here. Fuck. Fuck! Why am I too bad to clear this level? This is gonna kill me because death is already here and he's looking for me and he wants me to die instantly. I fucked up. Come on now. I'm pretty sure if you do it like this, yeah, we can clear our first problems here. Oh no, I wanted those so bad. Oh, the death toll is a big one here. Come on. Oh, this game. RNG is not on our side anymore. So we brought it pretty far in this run, and now all of a sudden everything goes down south. Come on. Oh, this is gonna go south very hard. Come on, Death! Ah, there's only one left now. Okay, we're gonna see the next level, but yeah, we done goofed. I never had such a catastrophic run on this specific level. Yeah, but that's for jinxing it, right? I was excited that we correct score, but at the same time I'm playing like a lost person here. So, this should be a lesson. Never jinx your achievements. If you can't prove them to be successful for further on. Okay, this is gonna be a difficult one. And what the game wants me to do now is, ideally, clear them all with a big lightning. And I don't have that. Normally it would mean it would read something, a word or something, and if you clear that, you get a lot of stuff. Oh, okay. Nice here. Octopus. I don't wanna be in conflict with death anymore, so let's just pull a quick one here, right? This was already too stupid for, of me. We done goofed already before, guys. You know how it is. Ah! Ooh, ooh. I felt this one. Oh, dude. Ooh. They're not very friendly, are they? So, you're a thing of the past now, old man. Oh, we can't get down anymore here in time. I fucked up some scoring of mine there, this way. Or did I? Nice. Okay, this boss is gonna kill me now, because this boss normally eats lives away like it's nothing. It's a very RNG-based boss. Oof, okay. Oh, we got the boss. Thank God. This boss is such a nightmare. Oh. This boss is such a nightmare. I'm happy we cleared it. But no need to be happy already. Oh, because this is also a hard one. But we got some scoring items here, so that's fine. This is a tough one. With the mechas coming up, I think the super robots or tanks. Okay. Let's pick him up quick. And now, let's give him a warm welcome. I think we need to do it once they're all here. Like, we have to wait and then go here, drop it all down. Okay. That's the way how you score in this one. But it's okay. Gonna pick you up and get all the items. Thank you so much. Let's go for another round. And let's go. Our last round. There we go. And now, most importantly... Wait, we need to get into his encasing here. Question is, how do we... Okay, we got deleted, basically. Oh no, come on, Death. There we go. Not a buddy of ours, is he? Yeah, those are the big robots I meant. And the helicopters, most importantly, of course. They're all no friends of ours. Oh no, I fucked myself. Ah. 2,740,000 and 60. I didn't have a video of my old round, so I couldn't submit my old score. But this way, guys, there it is. The first run we did. 2,740,060. 247,060. Nice. So we got our... One game was broken, and the other two games we played, we made a score today. 2,740. 2,740,060.